Musikang Payapaan po is from the title itself, it's Music for Peace. So ito po ay yearly naming ginagawa. It's a peace concert po. It aims to bring together different sectors of our community. We have our uniformed personnel, the civilian, and also ang ating mga native indigenous people from our community.